audio crossfades. This is a really useful tip for situations where you've got a number of short music tracks that you'd like to fade into each other. Select 2 or more audio tracks. Press Option plus T, or from the Modify menu, Audio Fades. You won't see any change until you expand the audio section of the clip. And it works with both video clips of audio as well as audio-only clips. You can remove the crossfades from the Modify menu or Shift plus 5, but you should be aware that it does not remove the overlaps, so you'll need to do that manually. To make it effective, I suggest you change the default settings for the audio crossfades.
Select Settings from the Final Cut Pro menu.
Select the Editing tab. The default setting for audio fades is set at 0.10 of a second. Change it to something longer. I suggest 1.5 seconds, but over to you.